Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open the Facebook page you manage, not your personal profile. You must be an admin. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the profile photo circle in the header and click it. You'll see options like Upload Photo, Edit, or Remove. Choose Upload Photo to start with a new image. Make sure the image is high resolution and square or 16:9 cropping will be applied automatically. Now you upload and fine-tune the picture. Click Upload Photo, pick the file from your device, and wait for it to appear in the editor. Use drag to reposition, the zoom slider to scale, and crop guides to keep important details centered. Facebook crops differently on mobile versus desktop. Once the preview looks right, click Save. If you use Creator or Business Suite, you can schedule changes or replace images in bulk. Otherwise, the change is immediate after saving. Finish by confirming the new profile photo displays across devices. Refresh the page, then open it on mobile to ensure responsive cropping looks good. If you still see the old image, clear your browser cache or force refresh. Sometimes Facebook caches thumbnails. If upload fails or the button is unavailable, verify your admin role and permissions, retry with a smaller file size, or use Business Suite. Remember,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.